A skillet, or a wok, is one of the must-have essentials in the kitchen. It does not solely function for stir-frying, but in different ways too. You can use it for roasting, searing, steaming, pan-fry, and even boiling. It is very convenient to use, as it can cater meals for large groups. Also, it has its characteristic feature of non-stick coating, making cooking meals all the more efficient. With the non-stick coating, you will prevent food spills from tossing, and it won't give you a hard time washing. Using a non-stick coating skillet is one way of healthy living, as it does not require much oil when cooking. Cleaning is easy too, as it just needs warm water and mild dishwashing soap for maintenance. Each wok varies with style and design. Whether you're into cooking for large groups or your family, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we bring you the top 5 woks fit for your kitchen. Whether you need the best of the best or the most affordable option, we will relay all the best items for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products mentioned in our video, you can check out the link in the description below. Now, let's start. Number 1. Our first item is Mainstay's non-stick wok. This versatile wok is perfect for steaming, stir-frying, roasting, and a lot more. It features its 13.75-inch cooking pan, which is designed for easy meal preparations. It is engineered to have tall and sloped edges to avoid spills when tossing food. This kitchen must-have is crafted with durable carbon steel to achieve your desired fast and even heating. The non-stick surface is one of its great features, as food easily slides out, and the pan only requires to be wiped out when cleaning. With the non-stick quality of Mainstays, it is easier to cook with butter, oils, and lesser fat for more healthy homemade meals. Apart from that, it has a wooden handle, which is cool to the touch while in use, to give you more confidence while cooking your favorite meals. It has long and short handles too that are incredibly convenient. The long handles are bound to be used when tossing the ingredients, while the short handle is a little help for lifting the wok itself. Its professional design assures you to experience convenient cooking and gives you efficiency like a professional chef. It does not matter if you're merely stir-frying vegetables or cooking up meat, beef, or shrimp. To make it your long-lasting kitchen buddy, it only requires a hand wash. Never use steel wool or any abrasive cleaners and powder pads, as they may damage the non-stick coating. Number 2. Next we have the Imusa 14 inches traditional wok with Bakelite handle. This wok is one perfect item if you're into exploring Asian cuisine. It is best recommended for making quick and healthy meals. You can use it for stir-frying, steaming, deep-frying, boiling, pan-frying, stewing, braising, poaching, searing, and a lot more. Its natural finish requires pre-seasoning before using it the first time. Burning oil before the first time is meant to coat the steel. Also, the inside and outer part of the wok must be scrubbed with steel wool to remove the protective coating. However, some claim scrubbing with steel wool does not fully help, but instead suggest using sandpaper to do the job correctly. Nevertheless, instructions are provided in the package to keep you guided. This flat-bottom wok can be used for both gas stoves and electric tops. It distributes heat evenly to help you achieve a quick and efficient cooking experience. It also features 2 stay cool handles meant for stability. Both handles are equipped with a metal ring for easy storage or when not in use. This round-bottomed cooking vessel is made out of carbon steel. After use, rinse it with warm water and a small amount of oil to keep it from rusting over time. Using it frequently will make the wok more seasoned, which keeps the food from sticking in the pan. Care and maintenance only requires hand washing. Thanks for watching so far, and keep watching because we still have more to come. Before proceeding, let me take this opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified of our next videos. Alright, let's carry on. Number 3. Our third item is Tasty Carbon Steel Non-Stick Stir-Fry Pan. This 14-inch wok in the blue finish gives you a relaxed vibe while stir-frying vegetables, searing beef, or cooking a sumptuous meal for your family and guests. Incredibly, it boasts a non-stick coating feature, which is manufactured without perfluorooctanoic acid. Worry not, there won't be a chance that some chemical will penetrate your cooked food. This flat-bottomed stainless steel wok works with various surfaces, even in induction cooktops. Its handles are engineered with soft silicone to provide extra grip and comfort. It also helps to avoid food spills. Additionally, it makes it comfortable for the user to maneuver the wok to any degree. The extra handle intends to make it easy for one to lift it. It is constructed out of carbon steel, which assures even heat distribution for quick and even cooking. Before using, consider preheating the pan before you proceed with cooking. Crafted with 14 inches in diameter, this wok can cater meals for large groups. Its non-stick carbon steel coating makes it easy for you to cook one meal to another without the hassle of clearing out the excess oil and sticky foods in the pan. Care and maintenance is just easy. Cleaning only requires soap and warm water in between use. So, watchers, we want to know what you think, so please don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. Now, let's head on to our last two products. Number 4. Next, we have the Tefal Easy Care Non-Stick Wok. It is best recommended for stir-frying, searing, browning, and a whole lot more. It can be used to cater to family-sized meals. It boasts its Pro Glide non-stick feature assures no hassle food release. It also requires little to no cooking oil, which is best if you're into healthy meals. Its base distributes heat evenly, and no hot spots for a much more reliable cooking result. This versatile wok is engineered with a durable and comfortable handle with a secure grip. It fits compatible with all kinds of cooktops except the induction. You can also use it for oven use, and it can hold up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, it's lightweight at 2.65 pounds. This wok does not come with a lid, which is sold separately. If you have an existing cover from your other wok and it perfectly fits with the Tefal, you can use it just fine. It is made of aluminium and Tefal's patented coating to provide you the best cooking experience. As compared to other skillets, cooking on this wok is faster and more efficient. Washing it after use is very convenient, as it only requires warm water and soap. Do not use scrubs for cleaning, as it may damage its coating. Number 5. Last but not least, we have the Lodge Preseason 14 inches cast iron wok. The best thing that you will surely love with this skillet is the large cooking surface that it offers. It heats evenly and retains water for a faster and efficient cooking time. Cook your authentic cuisine faves and home meals with this versatile wok, which fits with searing, frying, baking, broil, saute, grilling, and even for braising. It can flexibly be used in any cooktops, oven, and even in a campfire. It is pre-seasoned with oil for an easy and swift food release, which improves when used often. It weighs 11.86 pounds. It is crafted with a flat bottom, with 3 8 inches thick and 5 5 8 inches in diameter. It sits perfectly on any burner and requires you to add any other device to make it fit. This wok has no non-stick coating feature. However, since it is made out of iron, you will be required to season or apply oil on both inside and outside every time you wash up. You also have to dry it thoroughly to prevent it from rusting. By seasoning, it will make a non-stick wok. When washing, use warm water and mild soap only. Dry it with a soft cloth and keep it in a dry place. For long-term use, put a thin layer of oil in the surface while it's warm. And there you have it, the top 5 efficient woks for you. Whichever you opt to get based on your standards, we hope that you find the most convenient and appealing skillet for your kitchen. Did you find anything that fits your preferences? If you did, click the link to the description box to catch these items at our best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you'd like to see in our next video. Please write your comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. Stay updated with our latest happenings by tapping the bell icon. Also, if you want to be part of our growing community, click the bell icon. By doing so, you also get the chance to find out more of our videos. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.